Hi, I'm Rhonda Porter, and I wanted to talk briefly with you about the difference between being pre-qualified or being pre-approved as we enter the spring home buying season. And it's set to be pretty competitive as mortgage rates are improving. So it is very important to make sure that you have the strongest pre-approval possible. The pre-qualification looks and feels a lot like a pre-approval. You might even have a letter from a lender stating that you're pre-qualified for a certain loan amount and sales price. But a pre-qualification is just simply that you have given a lender information about your income and assets, maybe even told them what price range you'd like to be at, and then you have a discussion and maybe they provide you with a quote or some scenarios or let you know what you would qualify for. But it's definitely not a pre-approval and does not carry the same strength as a pre-approval does. Now, with the pre-approval, the big difference there is that you are providing the lender with all your supporting income and asset documents, depending if that's what the loan calls for. And it is going through underwriting and being reviewed to make sure that it meets all the lender guidelines. Once that's done, then you'll be issued a pre-approval letter. Pre-approval letters can look very different from lender to lender, but they should at least include the date, your names, how much you are approved for, the loan amount, the terms, and it should address that your credit's been reviewed, that your assets have been verified, and that your income and employment have been verified as well. Pre-approval letters also expire after a certain amount of time, and that's typically when the credit report expires. So you could expect your pre-approval letter to last typically 90 days unless there's been changes to your income or assets. Also, one thing with New American Funding, we have put together a really nice pre-approval letter packet that is presented that you can provide to your realtor and the listing agent. Clients that I work with, I take it one step further. I have a digital pre-approval. The market is just so competitive, but I think it's important to really stand out above all other offers. And so I contact the listing agent on your behalf with your permission, and we present a digital pre-approval, which they will receive on their phone, as you can see in this graphic. And it just really gives them more of the details of the pre-approval and that, verifying again that you have been approved and that I will be available if they have any questions. And it really is important to a listing agent and sellers as well to make sure that you're not working for a loan officer that's going to disappear or that is an internet lender that's not locally available. So if you're considering getting pre-approved, it's never too late to get started with this. I think it's very important because then we can address any potential issues you might have, such as credit or making a plan as far as how much savings, down payment you should have, or if we should be paying off debt. So best to put your best foot forward when you're making an offer, and I'm happy to help you with that. Take care, have a great day, and let me know if I can be of any help. Bye-bye.